Hillsborough County Sheriff's deputy is out of the hospital tonight after being deadly injured, or rather being injured in a deadly shootout in Carrollwood this past weekend. Police say 19-year-old Christos Themilis killed both his parents, then fired at the deputies. Deputy Shane Magoo was shot in the leg during the exchange of gunfire with this young man. News Channel 8's Georgia MacArthur is joining us live from the Carrollwood neighborhood with it happened. So what more do we know about this suspect?
Keith, investigators are still trying to determine the circumstances surrounding this deadly shootout. I did take a look at the 19-year-old's past, and a judge ordered for the guns from the suspect to be seized from him after he was determined a threat to either himself or others. This picture does not reflect the darkness this family went through Father's Day weekend. Last February, a judge ordered 19-year-old Christos Themilis to surrender his guns. Court records show the ruling came after Themilis threatened someone and was brought in for mental evaluation.
Get out of the house with your hands up!
But despite the judge's order, deputies say Themilis got a hold of a gun again this past Saturday. Investigators believe he shot and killed his father, Christos Themilis Sr. That's when the teen's mother, Rebecca Themilis, called 911 for help. Deputies arrived to find the teenager and his mother on the front lawn.
Listen, we don't want to hurt you, okay? Just let your mom walk to us.
Deputies say the suspect refused to put down his weapon, shot his mother, then fired at deputies. Themilis was shot and wounded but managed to crawl back inside the home. A sheriff's office robot later found the teen and his father inside the home, both dead from their wounds.
How did this mentally ill subject have access to any type of firearms when we took his firearms? They're in our custody.
Neighbors say they were not surprised to hear about the incident after witnessing Themilis' past behavior.
He always carried a baton, always carried the mace and knives.
How did he have access to any type of firearms to be able to inflict this type of violence here this evening?
And Sheriff Chronister says the suspect had a history of threatening violence, and they actually frequent this home a lot in the last few years.
Well, Georgia, the sheriff mentioned that they seized weapons from the suspect, but he seemed about as stumped as everybody else about how that suspect would have gotten a hold of a gun in the first place.
Right, that is correct, Keith. I did reach out to Hillsborough County Sheriff, and they are still trying to determine whether that gun belonged to the suspect or one of the family members at this home. Right now, it's still unclear of who that weapon belonged to.
All right, Georgia MacArthur live in Carrollwood. Thank you.